What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Malik's Water Garden. I got my new box of fish here. We're gonna pull out all the bags and see what we got. Stay tuned and watch till the end. You don't want to miss. There's a lot of rare fish in this here box that my friend Jason just delivered to me. So let's get into this box. What is going on, world? Welcome back to Malik's Water Garden. I haven't updated a video for you guys in a couple of days, so I am sorry about that. I've had a few different losses in the last little bit. I'm pretty sure you guys watched the last video. Since then, I actually haven't lost any more fish, which is great. So the remaining 5 zebra plecos are doing really well. Thank you so much, everybody that has reached out to me over the last little bit. You guys are all awesome. Everybody that messaged me, I mean, it really meant so much. All of you guys poured out so much love and support. And everybody that wanted to send money and all that, thank you so much. I didn't accept anybody's gifts or money or anything like that. Big shout out to Mike, actually, who offered me a pair of breeding discus, which I refused. Thank you so much, man. Like, it really means a lot for you guys to want to help. And he was like, how can I help, man? What can I do to help you? And honestly, everyone, the best thing you guys can do to help me is to like all my videos, because it really helps. So like this video right now, because it really helps out quite a bit. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And also comment below. Comment on my videos, because it really helps with the algorithm. So when you guys like, comment, and share the channel, it helps out, because YouTube thinks that the content is valuable enough for you to like and comment and also share. So those are the things, those are the ways you guys can help. So if you are watching this video and you want to help out the fish room and my channel, that's how you can help. You can like, share, and subscribe. And today's video is going to be really fun. We're going to be looking at the new fish that I got, which is in these tanks here. I got so many new fish, everybody. I got 4 different types of rare Corydoras. So we'll be looking at those right now in this video. And I also got some new really cool Apitanos. So Pseudohemiodon Apitanos. I got a red one and a brown one. So the red one seems to be a leucocystic. So we will be looking at that in the next video coming up. So stay tuned for that. And the brown one seems to be just like a lighter shade of brown. So it does have a less pigmentation than the rest of them. I have a group of 8 now, and they are all stunners. So we will be updating on those, and a care and maintenance video is going to be coming up real soon. And my friend actually already bred them, so he does have some pointers for me to breed them as well. So we will be attempting that, and I think mine will be starting to breed at some point within the next year. So we will be looking at those in the coming videos, so stay tuned. And so let's get into this video and look at all the new fish. Trying to make some space. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So we're going to pull out the smaller bags first. These here are some rare Corydoras. These are the C053, I believe. Yes. Oh no, these are C123s, I think. We will figure that out. I have 4 different types of rare Corydoras in here. So that's one of them. Really nice. This is the star of the show. Got the red Apitanos. We will be looking at these guys in a second. I'm going to put these in the tank real quickly because I don't want them to be stressed. So we'll look at those in a second. They are gorgeous. Wow. They are red as hell. Actually, let's look at them real quickly. There they are. Real nice. They're the red Apitanos. Look at that guy. Wow, he's bright. There's 2 of them in there, so we'll look at those in a second. And so let's open the rest of these bags. We got more Corydoras. Lots of Corydoras, actually. These are the Armadas, I believe. Wow, they're big. Wow. Wow, I don't even know what... These are the fairy Cory, so these are C053s, I believe. We're going to pull these guys out in a second. We're going to put them in the tanks and you're going to see them. But I just want you guys to see, like, these just got delivered, like, right now. My friend just dropped them off. Woo! These are the Armadas. Wow, they are gorgeous. What a stunning little fish. Very excited, guys. And so we'll be looking at all these in detail in a second. That's another rare Corydoras. C123. So these guys are really nice. The yellow Corydoras is really pretty. So let's get these guys into the tanks. So up here we have Corydoras C123 yellow cat. These guys are quite stunning. They have not colored up right now, so you're not gonna see how they look that well, but we will be updating on them, so stay tuned. They are one of the most stunning Corydoras out there in the hobby, and they are quite rare, so we will get them out of the bag, and you will see them as they come out. Let's fill the bag up with some tank water. There we go. The bag is full, and let's let them out. There's one eager to come out. Come on, buddy. He wants to come out so bad. So bad. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, 10. Where's 10? Back there. Come on, 10. You want to come out of that bag? Come on, buddy. Come on, doggy. Hot doggy. Come on, babe. There we go. There you are. He's out of the bag. All 10 fish are out now, and we will remove the bag. And beside that are the Corydoras armatas. There they are. These guys are quite spectacular themselves. Quite rare fish, so we will be looking at these in the next coming videos. So stay tuned and hit that notification icon so you get updated when these videos do finally get uploaded. So we will be updating these guys in a second, but right now let's release them. So these are the Corydoras armatas, and there's 10 of those in here as well. Let's get them out. They are smaller and quite stunning. Oh, there we are. Come on, guys. Wow, look at these. They are spectacular. Even right now, without like a lot of color, they look stunning. I can't wait for them to color up. There's 2. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 are out, and we will look at them in a second. Get this bag out of the way. There we go. Make sure there's none in the bag. Yep, bag is empty. So these are the Corydoras laurentiensis. Gorgeous little fish. Really pretty. So we're really excited for these. Same deal. They came from the same source. And I know exactly what temperature and the TDS these were in. And so I made sure that my tanks were exactly the same parameters as the water that they were being held in. So we will be releasing these guys right now into this tank right here. Let's let the bag get filled up with some tank water. Getting full. Fish are being happy. So once there's some water in there, they're happy. And we're just gonna slowly let them come out of the bag. So let's see. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all 10 are out, and we are looking very good right now. Very pleased. Everybody's looking great. And let's move on to the next tank. This tank's a little bit murky because I just put new sand in here, so gotta give it some time to clear up. But they are looking gorgeous already. These guys just came in like you just saw me release them. Look how gorgeous they look. Wow. Corydoras Saichii luminus, and these guys are quite rare, quite spectacular. They're a long-nosed Corydoras, so we will be doing a lot more with these guys in the coming weeks. So stay tuned, and let's get these guys out of this bag. They are gorgeous. I'm gonna let the filter just flow water into it. It's the same temperature. It's exactly the same actually. These guys came from my friend's home, and he told me exactly what temperature they are. So I made sure these tanks are exactly the same temperature as the tanks that they came from. So that's a really big plus when you are buying fish from somebody you know compared to somebody you don't know. They are gonna be a lot more you are gonna have a lot more information on the fish aside from just the name or whatever. So there are 10 of these guys, and they are freaking out quite a bit because these are large fish. There's one. Spectacular. Spectacular. I'll get all of them out. There we go. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gorgeous little fish. Very excited for these fish. I'm very, very, very excited for these fish. Oh, there's one left in the bag. Let's get that guy out. Very nice looking fish. Very pretty. Very excited for these fish. We will be looking at them in detail in an upcoming video. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. So you get updated when that video gets uploaded. It's actually a leucistic Pseudohemiodon apitanos, which is essentially a red Pseudohemiodon apitanos. It seems to be lacking black pigmentation, which seems to be what's causing it to look so red. So we'll be seeing if it comes out to eat, but if it doesn't, you will be getting an update on him specifically, as well as his entire group, and a care and maintenance video about these guys are going to be coming out. And also we will be attempting a spawn, because I do have a group of 8, so it is quite likely that they do spawn. Actually, somebody I know has been successful at spawning them here in Ontario, so they do spawn in our water. And I'm really excited to have these guys, and they are doing really well, so I'm really, really, really happy about that. They are doing really well. Like, I mean, ecstatic. This time around, all 6 of the new ones that I got are doing well, and I got the 2 from last time, so I got 8 in total, and they are of different sizes. So I mean, the spawning might take at least about a year, because I think that some of the smaller ones do need to grow up. I don't know if two of my big ones are a pair, or if they're both males or both females. So we will be looking at that in an upcoming video. So stay tuned and subscribe and hit that notification, so you get updated when those videos, as well as many others like that, get uploaded. I'll try to get you guys some B-roll footage of these guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all.